Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best brake pads and rotors is probably one of the most crucial safety features on your vehicle, ensuring your ability to stop quickly and safely. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of brake pads and rotors, exploring their functions, the signs of wear and tear, and how to choose the right ones for your car. Get ready to learn everything you need to know to keep your brakes in top condition. Number 5. Power Stop K2164-36 Brake Kit for Trucks. This is the Power Stop Brake Kit, designed for trucks and SUVs. It's a complete front and rear brake upgrade, offering improved stopping power and durability. This kit fits various models, including the Dodge Ram 1500, Chrysler Aspen, and Dodge Durango. Please check the specific model years to ensure compatibility. The kit includes drilled and slotted rotors for both front and rear. These rotors help dissipate heat and improve brake performance. It also comes with carbon fiber ceramic brake pads. These pads are designed to provide strong, fade-resistant braking, especially under heavy loads. This C36 truck and tow brake upgrade kit is ideal for towing, hauling, and mountainous driving. It provides reliable stopping power when you need it most. The components in this kit work together to maximize stopping power and provide long-lasting performance. It's a significant upgrade over stock brakes. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for trucks and SUVs, perfect for those who frequently tow or haul heavy loads. The drilled and slotted rotors, combined with carbon fiber ceramic pads, provide superior stopping power and reduced brake fade. If you have a truck and often find yourself towing or driving in mountainous areas, this kit will give you the confidence and control you need. What people say. The fit was perfect, installation was smooth, and the stopping power is noticeably better than my previous setup. This upgrade stops the truck on a dime, and is super quiet. The slotted rotors look amazing, but more importantly, they serve the purpose of keeping the rotors cool. Number 4. Power Stop F150 Truck and Tow Brake Kit. This Power Stop brake kit is designed for 2012 to 2018 Ford F-156 lug models. It's a complete front and rear brake upgrade, perfect for trucks and towing. This kit ensures reliable stopping power. The kit fits various F-150 models from 2012 to 2018. This includes 2WD and 4WD versions, as well as the Raptor and Harley-Davidson editions. Make sure it fits your vehicle. The kit includes drilled and slotted brake rotors for both front and rear. These rotors help dissipate heat and improve braking performance. They also look great. It comes with carbon fiber ceramic brake pads for both front and rear. These pads are designed for truck and towing applications. They provide strong and fade-resistant braking. This C36 truck and tow brake upgrade kit is built for the demands of trucks, SUVs, and 4x4s. It handles the added stress of towing, hauling, and mountainous driving. It offers improved performance over stock brakes. The kit includes all the necessary components to upgrade your brakes. The components are designed to work together to maximize stopping power and ensure long-lasting performance. You will get everything you need. What we like. This kit is also designed for trucks and SUVs, offering enhanced braking performance for those who need it most. The drilled and slotted rotors and carbon fiber ceramic pads work together to provide reliable stopping power. If you are looking for a brake upgrade that can handle the demands of your truck, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Everything fit well, went together easy, and looks good. Bedded the pads in and the truck is topping better than ever before. Super smooth and well-behaved braking. Clearly an upgrade to the Ford OEM capability. These are high-quality parts and were relatively easy to install front and rear pads, rotors, clips, and rubber replacement parts. If you can DIY, these provide excellent stopping power at a great price compared to having the pros do it. Fit my 2012 Ford F-150 perfectly. Good break-in instructions as well. This Power Stop kit is very nicely done. Everything extremely well marked. For example, each disc had a sticker to tell you where it should be installed. The inner and outer pads are interchangeable, so you can't put them in wrong. The hardware kit is complete and well made. And there is grease with directions on where to apply it. 5 stars for the kit packaging. When finished installing, I had air in the brake lines because I opened the bleeder when pushing the caliper piston back. Result, very quiet, extremely good pedal and braking. I like the kit very much. Time will tell how it holds up. Number 3. Power Stop KOE 2829 Brake Kit for Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX. This is the Power Stop KOE 2829 Brake Kit. It's designed to replace your old brake system. This kit provides everything you need for a complete replacement. This kit is specifically designed for 2007 to 2010 Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX models. Make sure it fits your vehicle before purchasing. It's a perfect fit for your car. The kit includes both front and rear rotors, along with Z17 Evolution ceramic brake pads. These components work together to improve your vehicle's braking performance. It's a complete package for your brake system. This kit is designed as an OE, stock replacement, restoring your vehicle's original braking performance. It's a direct replacement, so you don't need to make any modifications. It's easy to install. The Z17 ceramic brake pads offer durable and reliable stopping power. They also resist brake dust and noise, providing a smoother and cleaner experience. You will feel the difference. This complete brake replacement kit is ready for a quick and easy bolt-on installation. It comes with all the necessary hardware. You can install it without any modifications. What we like. This kit is a direct OE replacement, restoring your vehicle's original braking performance. The ceramic brake pads offer quiet operation and reduced brake dust. If you like a smooth, quiet ride and want to refresh your brakes with a reliable, stock-like performance, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Discs are very high quality, and after use, have not warped. Pads fit perfectly, and have good feel, stopping power, and are quiet. The product came prompt and complete and is of HIG quality. Number 2. Power Stop K7035 Brake Kit for Nissan Rogue Sport. This kit is designed to significantly improve your vehicle's braking capabilities. It's engineered to provide superior stopping power compared to your original brakes. This kit is specifically designed for certain Nissan Rogue and Rogue Sport models. Please check the fitment details to ensure it's compatible with your vehicle. The kit includes front and rear drilled and slotted rotors, along with carbon fiber ceramic brake pads. Everything you need for a complete brake upgrade is included. The Z23 Evolution Sport brake pads offer durable and reliable stopping power. They are designed to outperform the original equipment and reduce brake dust and noise. The drilled and slotted rotors maximize brake cooling. They also feature a silver zinc dichromate plating to protect against rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. What we like. This kit is engineered to improve the braking performance of your daily driven car, truck, SUV, or 4x4. The drilled and slotted rotors provide maximum brake cooling, and the carbon fiber ceramic pads offer durable, reliable stopping power. If you are looking for a sportier feel and enhanced braking, this kit will give you the performance upgrade you desire. What people say. Installation kit comes with everything that you need to do a quality brake job. Performance is enhanced over OEM brakes: no brake fade, little to no brake dust, and no brake noise. Stopping power is enhanced, as claimed, with no noise. Number 1. Power Stop KOE 6503 Brake Kit. This is the Power Stop KOE 6503 Front Auto Specialty Replacement Brake Kit. It includes brake rotors and ceramic brake pads. It's designed to restore your vehicle's original stopping power. This kit is specifically designed for certain models. It fits various Elantra, Elantra GT, Veloster, Forte Coupe, Forte Sedan, and Forte 5 models. Make sure it fits your vehicle before purchasing. The kit includes Front Auto Specialty stock replacement rotors and a Z17 ceramic brake pad set. These components work together to enhance your vehicle's braking performance. It's a great upgrade for daily driving. This Z17 stock replacement brake kit is designed for drivers wanting to refresh their vehicle's braking. It offers a bolt-on replacement, restoring the original rotor performance. The kit is easy to install. The Z17 Evolution brake pads feature a ceramic formula. This formula offers durable and reliable stopping power. It also resists brake dust and noise, providing a smoother experience. What we like. This kit is a direct OE replacement, offering a simple and effective way to restore your vehicle's braking performance. The ceramic brake pads provide reliable stopping power and reduce brake dust. If you are looking for an easy, bolt-on solution to refresh your brakes with OE-level performance, this kit is designed for you. What people say. The kit comes with a small packet of brake component grease. Perfect fit, good quality, and great value. Everything fit perfectly on my wife's 2016 Hyundai Elantra SE. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.